Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. I'm here with another tutorial from series of the ESP32 control relay. And in this session, I would like to deep dive into mobile app part and to explain how we can develop or create such this app. If you are interested in ESP32 part coding part, please watch my previous video. I will drop the link below of this tutorial. So let's get started. First, I would like to introduce one of the we can say that elegant and nice platform which allow you to play with this platform and create your own app in graphical, we can say that uh, point of view. So you don't need to write too much code. It's just only with the graphical interface. So also it's free and you can use it for your business as well. Please search in Google MIT Inventor and definitely it will come the first the sentence, or we can say the first search which is coming. It's the official website of the MIT App Inventor, and if you click on that one, then it will come to such this platform. After that, you have to click on create app, and it will navigate you to create your account, or if you already have an account, then you can use your Google account, or maybe if you don't want to use your current Google account, then you can create your credential. So yeah, it's for me that's the case. I will use my Google account, and then it's something to my project, and you can see I have already several projects which I created before. So I'm going to create a new project from scratch to see that how you can do that. So first we will go to new project part, and here you can define your name. So I'm going to define relay control, although before I had the project for the relay, but I'm going to create the new one only for purpose of this tutorial. Then okay, it will create the new project for you, and as you can see here in the left side, you have some buttons and some functions, the features. It allows you to drag and drop, and here there in the right side these details of the dead components, and here you have in top right side you have the designer, which is the UI part, and there is the block part. This block part is look like the back end, and designer is a front end. So we will go through all these points together to see that how we can do. First, you have the one screen here. This is the screen. You can see I want to change the title, so I'm going here to type it as a relay control, and you can see here the relay control already changed. So for this purpose, I have I'm going to use some layout. These are the layout as a horizontal and vertical and so on. So I'm using the horizontal, and then I am going to actually drop the one first, the label here. And what I'm doing, because I want to make some space between this relay control and this one, so that's why I'm going to do that. If you click on this horizontal arrangement, then you will find here some configuration part, and you can adjust this one. So I'm going to write as a field parent. You can see it will fill entire of the screen. And also if you want, you can make it as a center, but since I don't have any label here, just only the purpose of the some space, that is enough for me. Then I'm going to drop another horizontal, and then I am going to drop one list picker. This list picker will allow me to select the devices with the Bluetooth. If you remember, there was one button in my previous video, so I'm going to create such this. We can say that the scenarios. Again, I'm going to make it as a field parent and make it as a center. Then this list picker will come to the center of this part, and here I don't need to make any text, so remove this text. And I would like to add one image of the Bluetooth, so I'm coming to image part and choose file. So I need to go to the so I will select the Bluetooth pen and OK. So you can see the icon of the Bluetooth is here. Then I am going to drop another label. This is the label. Again, the same. I will come here, make it as a field parent, and in the label I will write down welcome. This label will be used for changing the status of the Bluetooth for connect or disconnect. So I am using this, and okay, perfect. Let's make it font bold, and let's make this as 18. Yeah, I think much better. And let's rename this label for finding later. It will help us. We can say that status. Okay, then we would need two button for connect and disconnect. So in that case, again, I am going to drop one horizontal and two button here. This is the first button, and you have to drop. If you need two buttons in the same we can say the row, you have to use the horizontal. If you want make it in we can say the two different row, then you can use the vertical. So I would like to use the horizontal. Again, I am using the field parent, make them in center, and for this first one I will put it as a I will drop the so for button, let's make it as a btn. Relay on. This button we will name it as a btn relay off. relay off. So we would need to select the image for this relay on and off. So let's again select and make this one is on. So select for relay on and relay off. Power off. Okay. Now between these two on and off has a very short space, so I want to make it a little bit more bigger. So in that case, I am dropping one label here, but this text not beautiful, so I'm removing this text and make this label a little bit like the pixel, for example, 10. Let's make it 20. It seems much better if not reasonable. Let's make it 50. Okay, I think now is reasonable. Then we would need to, after click on off, want to see the relay status. Okay, so in that case, again, we will use the horizontal one label. So this label will make it label we had the relay status. Okay, then let me make it entire of the screen and make it in center, and I can say a relay status. Okay, but let's make this one in the left side, and the font get a little bit much bigger, font bold. Yeah, now I think much better. And then we would need to drop the two icon for we can say image. So one image and second image. So I am dropping this img. I will say this light on, and this one img light off. So then for the light on, we would need a one picture which will light on, and for light off we also need a one picture. Light off, open, Then you would need to make it a little bit parent, and again we need to make them in center, place them in center, and have a little bit distance between these two icons. I think it's yes, then it makes sense. Then we would need the last button for, let's make this a little bit bigger, for the button of the disconnect. So we have parent and button, make it in center. In this button, disconnect. And make this button the shape as oval. Let make the color pink. Okay, perfect. Now the UI part is ready, but still some components are needed. What is needed? First is Bluetooth. Second is clock. You just need to drag and drop into this display, and then you will see this Bluetooth now is coming here, clock is coming here. These components actually is not visible for in the UI or in display, but these are important part for, we can say that backend of this app. I need this text to speech. When I click on disconnect, it will actually the operator speech as a disconnected. So I already completed all these components and UI is ready. We would need to jump in the block part for backend.